So kids, let's learn how to do addition and subtraction. 1 plus 6 plus 1 minus 8 is 0.
8 minus 6 plus 25 minus 21. Answer 6. 1 plus 5 plus 31 plus 52. 89. 3 plus 5 plus 31 minus 20. Answer 19. 1 plus 3 plus 25 minus 24. Answer 5. 59 minus 3 minus 6. Answer 50. 1 plus 5 plus 23 minus 18. Answer 11.